Hi, my name is Jerry Gomez. I work for Bessler Homes as a homeowner services tech, and today I will be showing you 2 ways to adjust your doors if your door latch is not flush with the striker plate. So the first area that you can adjust will be the hinges. So if the latch is hitting up high on the striker plate, you're going to want to adjust the bottom hinge. If it's hitting the bottom of the striker plate, you're going to want to adjust the top hinge. First, you're going to want to loosen up all the screws. You're not going to want to fully take them out. You're just going to want it so that way the door can move as needed. So my doorknob latch is hitting the bottom of my striker plate here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the top of the hinge with a 3-inch screw to push the door up to be flush with the striker plate. So before I had loosened up all the screws here so that way the door can move freely. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the middle screw out and have a 3-inch screw to put in so that we can grab the wood behind the door jamb and catch and push the door back. So adding extra force is going to cause the door to go back, and now we can go ahead and tighten up all the screws. So the reason why I had added a 3-inch screw here and not these other ones is because I wanted to grab more here, and these ones I want them to be free so that way the door can move as needed. After adjusting the hinges, if it still doesn't latch, I will show you another way to adjust your striker plate. So now we're going to detach the striker plate from the door jamb. So the doorknob latch was hitting too low, so I'm going to put the striker plate up higher than what it was before. I'm going to go ahead and outline here. Once I've outlined, I can go ahead and cut that piece out. So now that I have my outline here, I'm going to go ahead and cut it with the cutting tool. You could use a utility knife or you could use a blade. So now that I have cut where I needed, I'm going to go ahead and reattach my striker plate. So now that we have adjusted the hinges as needed and the striker plate as needed, the door should go ahead and latch.